Alicia. My hair, have you noticed how long our hair is getting? It's like all the way down to there. I don't think my hair's ever been this long, but I don't like getting my hair cut. You always have to put so much trust into the person cutting your hair, and I'm totally blind without my glasses, so all I see in the mirror when they're asking how it looks is an oval where my face goes and then a brown blur around my head where my hair is. And it's like, I have no idea if they're giving me the haircut I want or not until it's finished. You know, there's a lot of trust that goes into that. And I always overshare with the hairdresser. You know, you get me in the chair and I just start talking. It's like 1 second I'm describing the haircut that I want, and the next second I'm talking about my plans for the future. Yes, I want to make movies and design the ultimate MMO. It's like I also want world peace and win the Nobel Prize. Because it's just you and them and their scissors. I wonder what it is about hairdressers that make you open up like that. Maybe it's the same trust thing that lets you put your hair into their hands in the first place. It also takes a lot of guts to cut your own hair because at least the hairdresser has all the training. You are the one just standing there in the bathroom mirror with a pair of scissors, hoping your hands don't shake too much. Plus, you can't see the back of your own head without some complicated mirror configuration, and they can see the back of your head and make sure that it's even. So, I haven't had my hair cut in a while. My cue to you is, do you prefer to get your hair professionally cut, or do you prefer to cut it yourself? And if so, are you any good, or is it just the ends with a pair of kitchen scissors and then that's it? Please leave that answer in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, please hit subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. We really appreciate all the support. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.